Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And this video is recorded the same day I recorded and uploaded Windows 8 build 7814. Yeah, because I recorded that video today, I edited that video today, and I uploaded it today. That I was really productive during that video, man. I'm proud of that. I'm actually proud of that. But anyways, we're gonna move on to the next interesting build of Windows 8, which will be a lot. This video will be a lot longer than the last video, because last video I didn't really look into the beta wiki page of the build that much. But this I know has a bunch of features, and I'm gonna be talking about them, and I might need to download some things. So yeah, I'll probably have to install some stuff. Not the ISO. I have the ISO, but something else. So of course I'll leave the ISO in the description, just like the last video. And you might be asking, oh, what build are you doing now? Well, today we're doing Windows 8 build 7850, which it's the official Milestone 1 build. Yeah, the official Milestone 1 build for Windows 8. Yeah, I can't believe it. So yeah, let's just get started. Let's click on Create a New Virtual Machine, Custom, sure, sure, sure again. And I did get the 64-bit. I did get the 64-bit. So, yeah, this is going to be a 64-bit OS, which is, yeah. So we're going to put build, oh yeah, build 7850, forgot. I almost forgot the build. I'm going to put x64 just in case, not x65, x64. Oh, I wish there was an x65, guys. Let's click on next. And I could put it in UEFI, but I don't want to because this might make some problems. Because in the last video, I put it in UEFI, and then we ran into a problem, and then I had to do this again, and I had to set it to BIOS. So I'm just gonna leave it with BIOS, and if it fails, I can just go into UEFI mode. So I'm gonna leave it in BIOS, one processor, because this computer only has 2 cores, which is bad. We're gonna give this 4 gigs of RAM. That's like half of my RAM. Never ever give your virtual machine half of your RAM. Yeah, never ever give your virtual machine half of your RAM. So, yeah. Oh, and apparently Windows 8 does need 2 gigs of RAM, so that's crazy. Okay, so where's memory swapping gonna be? Memory swapping. You should. It says maximum. Alright, so the recommended is 2 gigs. Okay, so we're gonna use that. That. Sure, let's use that. Let's use that, sure. You know what? Let's give it 155. Actually, no, 175. Yeah, let's give it 175 gigs of hard drive space. Store as a single file. Next. Next. Customize hardware. I'm gonna CD DVD drive. Gonna use this. The ISO image. Browse. Oh, guys, which one is it? Oh, yeah, 7850x64. Close. Then I'm gonna click finish. And then there we go, Windows 8 build 7850. Let's power on the virtual machine. Yeah, and hope that this works. Oh wait, there's a time bomb in this. Forgot. Yeah, make sure you set the date, guys, to whatever it's supposed to be. So I'll be right back after I check what it's supposed to be, and then I'll tell you guys. So Sansa's build was compiled on September 22nd, 2010. I feel like we should put the system date as September 23rd. Wait, no. That's not September, that's October. But whatever. 2010. Okay, there we go. Exit saving changes, yes. And now we can boot into it. Now, please don't make it that big. I cannot, because the screen is broken. If you're in my Discord, you can see the laptop screen is broken, and you'll see how much it's broken, which is why I'm not full screening it. Well, I did screen it in the last video, but it was really hard to use and I could not see everything. But yeah, I've also heard that there's a problem with Windows Aero and like these builds. So that might explain why the last build was not, loading Windows Arrow. And yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to close this VMware pop-up. I'm gonna click on next, install now, and just says setup is. It just says setup is. It doesn't say setup is starting. It just says setup is. Don't know why it's just saying setup is, but yeah. So what is setup doing? Yeah, setup is just doing something. Okay, so I gotta type in the product key, and you know what? I'm not gonna go with ultimate this time because I don't feel like I deserve ultimate. So yeah, I'll go with something else. I'll probably go with home premium. All right. So I put in the product key. And this is Microsoft pre-release software license terms. And guess what? It says Windows 8. The license term says Windows 8. So I accept the license terms. Next, custom. Let's install it on the 175 gig partition. Next, and copying Windows files. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, now it's gonna do that. And I'm gonna use this time to install something that I'm gonna cover later in the video. So yeah. Also, I'm not gonna install VMware Tools this time, so yeah, just saying that. I need to get myself a real win. that's when my computer crashed, and then I shut it. Well, it crashed, and then I was gone for the day. So yeah, and then all right. So let's move on to the next day. Whatever. This is really bad voiceover. Alright, it's the next day, and I think the setup crashed while installing. Oh, it just BSOD'd. That's amazing. It BSOD'd. Isn't that amazing? It keeps on giving me a blue screen of death. Actually, since it broke during setup, it kind of makes sense why this would happen. So let's reboot the computer. Yeah, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go boot off the CD drive. CD-ROM. I'm gonna boot from DVD. And now I got it set up again. Yay. So I guess I'll just do a time lapse then. Yeah. I can't wait for this. I'm gonna record a YouTube video. Rain possible tonight. Oh god. Oh, oops. Well, I was okay. I guess that. Okay, so let's wait for setup to continue after restarting. I think this is the point of the setup where I should probably restart it. Where's the mouse cursor, man? Where is the mouse? Oh, there it is. Let's press Control R to reboot it. There we go. Start Windows normally. Please don't blue screen. Please don't blue screen. Please. Like, come on. I don't want a blue screen. I want to boot up into Windows 8. Yeah, it's not Windows 7. I mean, you might think it's Windows 7. It's not Windows 7. I promise. And oh man, I got a bunch of features to show you. There's a lot of features in this build. I want to show you all of the features. Again, I'm not going to install VMware tools, so yeah. Setup is preparing your computer for first use, and then it's checking video performance. So that's nice. Well, let's just hope it stays nice. Alright, so we're at Windows 7 Home Premium. Let's type in my actual name. Oh, this is a computer name. I'm gonna call it whatever the heck I just typed in there. Um, what else do we have to do? I mean, I don't know. I just click next, and I hope that this is an actual computer name. Oh, is it? Why does it do this every time? I don't know. Actually, okay. So don't know why this is taking forever, but I mean it is. So what can I say? If it wants to take forever, it will. So yeah, I'll be back when this finally finishes. Alright, it's finally back now, so let's just select home network, connecting to your network and applying settings. Where's the part where it asks us for the username and password. I think that's after this. I don't know though. Hard drive. Oh, there we go. There it is. I don't want a password. No updates, please. Sure, I don't care about what time it is anymore. Like, I actually don't care. Windows is finalizing your settings. Yeah, it's finalizing. Let's go. Yeah. This took like a day. Yeah, because today is a different day. And oh gosh, what's going on actually? Oh god. Oh god. Of course, when I get out my camera to record it, it stops doing that, doesn't it? Preparing your desktop. What a wonderful statement. Preparing your desktop. And so is this gonna take 10 years? I think it's gonna take 10 years. So yeah, but yeah. Okay, I guess we're gonna continue waiting. And if it doesn't log in a couple of, if it doesn't log in the next minute, I'm probably gonna just, you know, uh, probably gonna just time lapse it or cut it out. So. Oh gosh. Finally! We're here. Okay. So it might look the same because this and, yeah, that. It might look the same, but it definitely is not the same. How do I know this? Because there's a couple of things. There should be an accessories. First of all, it's Bluetooth file transfers there. Ease of access. Oh, tablet. No, tablet PC. What? Oh, I think you have to install something. Let me go check out the new features. Alright, so you know how last time I was looking at Internet Explorer 9? Well, apparently you have to put a patch to get the new UI to work. But here it should be working because it says that it's working. So this is the new UI, which looks pretty. Uh, it looks okay, I guess. I mean, I don't know why it's loading that, but if we go to this, oh yeah, this is the new. This is the new UI. I haven't seen this UI yet. Where's about internet? Okay. Oh, Internet Explorer 9. Yeah. Ask me later about Internet Explorer. Yeah, this is Internet Explorer 9 beta. Um. So yeah, this is beta version. Let's close that. Close all tabs. Alright, there we go. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to VM, removable devices, CD, settings. And by the way, the thing I'm talking about is Red Pill. So Red Pill is basically like Blue Pill for Windows 7. So it like locked down the features just in case someone leaked the build, so that even if the build did get leaked, it would basically be useless. But someone created a tool called Redlock because the official Red Pill tool is still not leaked yet. As of me recording this, it's still not leaked. So someone made a program called Redlock that fixes this, and we can get access to all the features. Um, yeah, this is Blue Pill, which was required, which was for the old feature for the Windows 7 features. This is Red Lock, which is basically Red Pill. Uh, Alright, so if we go back here and hope the mouse doesn't lag, and we open up File Explorer, As you can see, we're on the DVD, and 3 the README file. This is just the ISO with RedLock. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this disk. I'm going to copy it to the desktop so I know. This kind of looks like a Microsoft Office application, as you can see. It kind of looks like the old Microsoft Office, like Microsoft Office 2016 icons. So it looks like that. Let's click on yes. We're gonna install. Alright, let's install Red Pill. And it's probably gonna restart the computer now. Yeah, which it is doing. It's shutting down and it's gonna restart the computer. Starting Windows, yeah. So this is probably gonna boot up with the new start, with the new features and stuff, which I'll get into after we log in here. So let's just wait for it to load. There we go. Setup is prepared. Oh, is it gonna go through the out-of-box experience again? Yeah, it is. Alright. So it's installing it right now, and this is basically how it's being installed. So yeah, that's crazy. Even though this is not the first use, it's just installing all the files, I guess, again, and it's doing that Windows 7 animation, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool animation, just so you know. And it's restarting again, so yeah, that's okay. So let's wait for it to boot up again. Same boot screen though, which don't know why there would be a different boot screen. I kind of hope there would be a bit of a different boot screen. Welcome. All right, so this might look the exact same. But a couple of things. First of all, it's lagging. So we log back in. Wait, wasn't the recycle bin empty? Like, didn't it have a different icon? And that's another feature. Uh, what the hell happened? I'm confused. What the hell even happened? Uh, so yeah, basically, this is the start screen, which it's a start screen. Uh, yeah, you can use the start screen. There's also a search icon. I don't know if it works. Here's the search. Let's search for like I don't know Bluetooth. The search actually works, so that's pretty nice. Let's check out the calculator app to see if it was changed. No, the calculator was not changed. Oh, there we go. There we got the desktop back. Oh, so this computer. Oh, and as you can see, this is the new ribbon layout. As you can see, there's just placeholder icons right now. If we go to desktop or downloads or like whatever places, you can see those placeholder icons. And if we open up Internet Explorer, if we can open up Internet, hold on, what the hell is going on? What the hell is going on with the screen? Yeah, I don't know what is going on with the screen, but it's not good. I don't want that to happen to the screen. Oh, God. Well, this is gonna take a lot of time off the video. Um, I kind of can't record with this going on. Okay, so can we? Alright, let's move on to the next part of the video and try not to get distracted with whatever the hell just happened. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a couple of things like create a system repair disk. Okay, so I don't think that's what that fixed it. So let's see what other things that are in here. We still got all the games. We still got all of that, but I'm pretty sure there's some other stuff like I think there would be other stuff. Where's the other programs? Where's the other programs? Where? What on? Okay, I'll be right back after I do some more research. Alright, so apparently that's the only that's the only thing you can unlock using RedLock. I think all the apps are in like a different build. Let's go to personalize here and see stuff. Okay, let's try to get it in here right now. Let's try to get it right now. It won't work, of course. You know what? Just for the fun of it here, just for the fun of it, let's try to just use uh. Let me just try to use the VMware tools. I'm just gonna time lapse this because I don't know what's gonna happen. So